我们都是家的爸爸哦，妈妈哦。
Jovi.
I like John Bon Jovi.
Yes. Good morning! While waiting for our Grab to go to the Trangan boat, just walking around outside of our homestay. And can I just say, I am literally stopping to smell the flowers. I hope I can stay here longer. We also have limited time here in Vietnam for this trip, so share ko lang. Hi! So we are here at the Trangan boat experience, and we are joined in our boat by our friends. This is Hila and Ami. They're from Israel. Shout out with my mom.
Ring.
Yes, Jovi.
Jovi. I like John Bon Jovi.
Something like that. Marami po kaming kasabay sa boating. May parang buong tour. So the whole tour will take about 2.5 hours. Nagsisisihan ko na wala akong dalang hat because UV rays and shit, you know. At least the weather is nice. You can see. Ching-ching. Hi. Xin chào.
Xin chào.
Si Jovi nakabanda. Oo, nag-ano na ako kasi syempre ayaw naman natin mag-UV rays and shit. Shout out Tita Jovi. Let's take a full video together as a Gen Z. Hi. First stop.
They told us we need to check.
At ngayon naman po ay nagtrabaho pa talaga ang mga turista.
Trabajo.
Trabaho is yes, work. So ako din. Sorry, ay paso. Israel, Philippines. Where are you from?
I'm from Taiwan.
Ni hao.
你好。
相爱，因为我们都是家的爸爸哦，妈妈哦，我的下辈行互你，天空亮挂是。
Wow. And we're gonna drop by. Okay. Yes. Today once more. It's almost lunchtime. And yesterday, kumain kami ng mga 5 p.m. last meal namin. Baka bumagsak ang blood sugar ni Kim. So kakain tayo ng tsokolate sa river. Nandun kapag mga 25 years old. Yan na po, si Haring Araw. Kain na din lumabas. Thank you so much, Lord. Ang pagpapanggap. I don't think my camera can capture the beauty of this area. This is really, really, really good and majestic. Okay, we are properly docking. Thank you so much. Come on. Tip. Come on. Oh my God. We're going crazy. Alright, natapos na ang boating namin ni Mommy. Ano masasabi mo? Natapos din. Adventure. Of course, because yesterday talagang delubyo dito as in sarado siya. We are blessed that the weather is very good. So thank you, Trangan. We'll see you guys again next time. Vlogger.